Xochimilco isn't just one boat ride. It's 12 completely different ways to experience Mexico City's ancient canals, and which one is right for you depends entirely on what you're looking for. Prices range from $24.15 all the way up to over $500. And that gap tells you everything about what you're actually paying for. So let's start at the bottom and work our way up. 12. Basic Sunrise Kayak. Sometimes the cheapest option is also the most honest one. The Basic Sunrise Kayak Tour costs just $24.15 per person, covering a kayak, life jacket, paddle, and a guide pointing out the volcanoes Popocatépetl and Iztaccíhuatl as the sun rises. Why rank it last? Because breakfast, transport, and tips all cost extra here, while most other options on this list build those in. But that's not necessarily a downside. If you just want the sunrise and canals without paying for extras you might not use, this strips the experience to its core. And it's suitable for all fitness levels, so almost anyone can book it without much planning. Think of it as the test run, the version you book before committing to something bigger. The next tour folds in another neighborhood entirely, though it comes without a clear price tag attached. 11. Kayak and boat combo? 2 neighborhoods, 1 tour, and a trade-off worth knowing up front. The Coyoacan and Xochimilco combo pairs a traditional Trajinera ride with a stop at Frida Kahlo's house and Coyoacan's historic center, roughly 2 hours each. This combo costs $123.54, and it includes an air-conditioned vehicle and a guide. But mariachi songs, gratuities, and shops are not included. So why does this rank low? Splitting the day between 2 destinations means less time on the actual water, which is the point of coming here in the first place. Quick one before we move on. Xochimilco is home to an island covered in hanging dolls, and legend says a man started collecting them to ward off the ghost of a drowned child. Drop your guess on whether that story is confirmed. I'll give you the real answer before this video ends. Now, let's strip away the sightseeing and focus purely on the water. 10. Ancient Canal Kayak. 3 hours on water this old is barely enough time to take it in. The 3-hour Ancient Canals Kayak Tour runs $72.65 per person, paddling through a Chinampa farming system in continuous use for 800 to 900 years, the last remnant of the lake that once surrounded Tenochtitlan. You get a life jacket, kayak, and dry bag, plus a guide steering towards smaller, lesser-known canals most Trajineras can't reach, where bird and fish life is much easier to spot. But there's no food, no breakfast, no cultural stop, just water, birds, and working island farms. Therefore, this suits travelers who want quiet over conversation, and a moderate fitness level is recommended since you're paddling the entire route yourself. Trade that silence for a live concert floating right alongside you next. 9. Trajinera. Lunch on a boat is one thing. Lunch with a live choir performing beside you is another. The Trajinera experience with Mexican menu runs $121.08 per person for a 2-hour canal ride built around food and music, with vegan dishes made from edible flowers and English and French interpreters on hand for non-Spanish speakers. The performance comes from Triana Gutierrez, director of the Xochimilco Choir, so this isn't background noise. It's a real cultural act woven into the ride. It's also one of the few options here that's fully wheelchair accessible, transportation included. But bathroom service, soda, and alcohol cost extra, and souvenirs aren't included either. A tour built entirely around heritage status comes next. 8. Small group Trajinera. Not every Trajinera ride needs a meal attached to justify the trip. The exclusive floating adventure tour runs $108.69 per person for 2 hours through canals that earned UNESCO World Heritage status in 1987, tied directly to the Chinampa system the Aztecs first built. You get round-trip transportation, a bilingual guide, and the classic flower-decorated boat most people picture when they imagine Xochimilco. But food, drinks, and tips aren't included, so this stays a no-frills version of the classic ride. We're leaving the boat behind now to step into someone's kitchen. 7. Cook with Martha. Most cooking classes teach you one country's cuisine. Martha brings 11. Her private pre-Hispanic cooking class costs $110.32 per person, and what stands out is her background. 35 years abroad across 11 countries, taking cooking lessons in each before folding it all into recipes rooted in her Chihuahua roots. Over 90 minutes, you'll prepare 2 or 3 dishes from scratch, like sopecitos de pollo and cochinita pibil, then eat what you made at her own table, with vegetarian options available if you ask ahead. But hotel pickup isn't included, and the optional market tour to shop ingredients with her costs extra. From there, we head back to the water for a detour most tourists never know exists. 6. Island of Dolls. Some kayak tours end at a dock. This one ends somewhere stranger. The Sunrise Kayak Tour with Island of Dolls costs $102.78 per person, folding a visit to the doll-covered island into a 4-hour paddle, alongside an organic Mexican breakfast with vegan options, and a mezcal shot once you're back on land. Entrance to the island, bottled water, and an air-conditioned vehicle for transport are all included, but personal shopping and gratuities aren't covered, so plan for that if you want souvenirs. A cooking class with one of the widest menus on this list comes next. 5. Cook with Lucia. A cooking class is one thing, a history lesson over the stove is another. Lucia, a gastronomic historian, runs her private Mexican cooking class for $140.51 per person, with a seasonal menu that includes chile en nogada, stuffed poblano chilies in a creamy walnut sauce, alongside traditional moles, potato leek soup, and fideo soup. You choose whether to cook alongside her or simply watch a live demonstration, and the meal comes paired with local beer or tequila either way. But this happens inside her actual home, not a studio, so it's intimate by design rather than a polished commercial space. 2 iconic neighborhoods get combined into a single private day next. 4. Xochimilco and Coyoacan. Choosing between canals and colonial streets gets harder than it should be. The private Xochimilco and Coyoacan tour runs $240.84 per person, splitting the day between a 1-hour trajinera ride filled with mariachi and marimba music and a stop in Coyoacan, the old colonial town now folded into the city. Along the way, you'll pass Ciudad Universitaria, a UNESCO human patrimony site built on a petrified sea of lava, and cross Insurgentes Avenue, the city's longest street, passing the Insurgentes Theater and its Diego mural. But anything not explicitly listed falls on you, so don't expect food or extras covered. History goes even further back next, all the way to ceremonial hills and ancient glyphs. 3. Pre-Hispanic Axolotl Tour. This is the stop where Xochimilco stops feeling like a boat ride. The pre-Hispanic Xochimilco tour costs $216.18 per person and opens at Cuajilama Hill, a ceremonial center and observatory used by the Xochimilcas in the 13th century, where carved glyphs are still visible and, wind permitting, you get a wide view across the city. From there, you'll visit the Cathedral of San Bernardino de Siena, one of the area's first 16th century churches, before boarding a trajinera for a meal sourced from a working chinampa. The final stop sets this apart, an axolotl sanctuary where you meet the species endemic to Xochimilco and tied to the god Solotl in local legend. The sunrise tour where someone else does all the rowing comes second. 2. Sunrise Cayuga Breakfast. Rowing yourself isn't required for this sunrise. The Xochimilco at Sunrise tour costs $175.56 per person, and instead of a kayak, you ride in a cayuco, a larger and more comfortable vessel steered entirely by expert rowers while you watch. Pickup starts at 5 in the morning, and by 6 you're sailing canals most trajineras can't reach, watching the sunrise behind the volcanoes Iztaccíhuatl and Popocatépetl. By 7, you'll reach a working chinampa where breakfast is harvested in front of you, and afterward you plant something yourself to help keep the tradition going. But it's not recommended for travelers with spinal injuries, cardiovascular concerns, or pregnancy. One option remains, and it covers everything the other 11 only touch in pieces. 1. Custom private floating. Every other option on this list picks one angle. This one refuses to. The Xochimilco Floating Gardens tour with a local costs $533.49 per person, the highest price here, but it's the only fully personalized option. An online form lets your host build a route around what you actually care about: history, food, hidden corners, or simply the canals. Stops can include the Museo Dolores Olmedo, the Parque Ecológico de Xochimilco, and the Xochimilco market, alongside a 2-hour Trajinera ride and a visit to the cathedral. But food, drinks, and attraction tickets aren't included. And since this runs primarily as a walking experience, a private vehicle isn't part of the package either. If you're ready to plan a trip built around experiences like this, I've linked the best current flights and hotel deals to Mexico City in the description below to help you book for less. 12 ways to see the same canals, and the price gap comes down to how much of the story you want handed to you, including the truth behind the Island of Dolls. Its creator, Julian Santana Barrera, said he was honoring a drowned girl, though no record of her death was ever confirmed. If you found value in this video, you're gonna love this next one.